Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix mouse stuck in a corner on Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type msdt.exe space, -id space, device diagnostic. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices, right-click mouse, click Uninstall device. Fourth method is type system restore in Windows search bar, click Restore Point. Select previous restore point. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.